Assalamualaikum and hi viewers, my name is Amrosaki and I'm going to tell you a story titled about Bubiah. Let's begin our introduction with Bubiah. Bubiah is my neighbor. Her name is Siti Sophia, but we call her as Bubiah. She is in her mid-70s and my mom told me that she was a pension nurse. Every evening, Bubiah always sits at her house balcony and greets the passing by neighbors. Her common questions are, "Where are you going, dear? Where have you been? How are you today?" One fine day, I just went back from shopping and saw Bubiah was waiting in front of her house. "Amir, where have you been?" "From the moon, Bubiah." I quickly just passed by without looking at her. Bubiah is very annoying, Ma. Can she just be quiet? She acting like a police officer. A week later, this kuih sapit is very crispy. It tastes good and so addictive. It's tasty, right? Your Bubiah made them before she... Ma, it's been a very long time. I don't see Bubiah. Usually, she always hang out at her balcony. "Oh dear, did you know that your Bubiah..." Ya Allah, is it true, Ma? Oh, I'm guilty now. Now I remember how I wrote was with her. I didn't even have a chance to apologize. Dear son, in this life we must not be arrogant. We, moreover, living in this neighborhood, we should be practiced to be considerate, understand, and respect each other. That's our Malay Brunei culture. Please don't be selfish. Neighbor is also part of our family. When did Bubiah pass away, Ma? Was she sick? Astaghfirullahalazim. When did I say Bubiah have passed away? She just went to KK to join the Muslimah program. Oh, that's a relief. I thought she really passed away. In fact, she just went abroad. Dear friend, today, in this new era of technology, although information is just tip of our finger, we should not forget our very own Brunei culture. As a proud Bruneian, we always practice positive behaviors called hormat menghormati, sopan santun, and berbudi bahasa, which mean mutual respect, well-mannered, and courtesy. I end my story with an Islamic quote narrated by At-Tirmizi, 1944, which means the best neighbor to Allah is the best to his neighbor. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.